Electro-hydraulic servo press brake tutorial suitable for ESA S860/875 systems. Part 1: Fueling and wiring. Add anti-wear hydraulic oil to the fuel tank. Connect to the power supply before first use. Turn on the main gate of the power supply. Turn on the power switch of the machine. Turn on the power switch. Loosen the emergency stop. Start the oil pump. Part 2: Daily boot steps. Turn on the power switch of the machine. Turn on the power switch. Loosen the emergency stop. Start the oil pump. Wait for the EsaBend software to start. Find the reference point. Test the operation of the X-axis. Test the operation of the R-axis. Test the operation of the Z1, Z2 axis. Test the operation of the A1 axis, i.e., the V-axis. Check the die parameters. Part 3: Programming numerical control. Under the Program List page, add a new numerical program. Input sheet width. Input sheet thickness. Select material. Select upper die. Select lower die. Enter the bending angle and step length. Add the second work step. Enter the step length and bending angle again. Enter program name and save. Enter the Auto Mode page and start bending. Part 4: Bending workpiece. Put the board is close to the block finger. Press the pedal. Complete the first work step. Press the pedal again. Complete the second work step. Part 5. Measurement and calibration. Measure the length. Measure the bending angle on both sides with a corner ruler. Treatment method when the value is found to have an error. Enter the correction parameters for the corresponding axis. Put the board again and complete the bend. Measure the bending length again. Measure the bending angle again. Part 6. Graphics Programming and 3D Simulation Bending. Graphics Programming. Under the Program List page, add a new graphic program. Input sheet width. Input sheet thickness. Select material. Select upper die. Select lower die. After clicking OK to confirm, enter the editing page. Use graphics to generate the final bending program. Under the Editing page, click Calculate button. Select the Optimize button. Select the Simulation button and keep clicking the Continue button until the workpiece is completed. 3D Simulation Bending. Under the Automatic Mode page, click the icon in the lower right corner. Select Extrusion Viewer. Select First Bend. Click the Start button. Part 7, Shut down. Press the pedal switch to make the upper mold dock the lower mold. Press the Emergency Stop button. Press the Emergency Stop button again. Turn off the main power switch. Thanks for watching.